Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the morning prayer in the darkness, and after performing it, he mounted and said, Allahu Akbar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. Khaybar got ruined, has fallen. When we allied the courtyard of a people, the mourning of the people who have been warned gets marred. They came out and were saying in the streets, Muhammad and the army. The reporter says Al-Khamis means army. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dominated them. So the combatants were killed, and the women and the children were held captives. Hazrat Safiya came into the position of Hazrat Diya Kalabi. Then she belonged to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thereafter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam married her and declared her freedom her jointure doer. Abdul Aziz said to Sabit, O Abu Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did you ask Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu what was fixed as her jointure? He said, herself. At this, he smiled. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 947.